I want to please invite the headmaster of Zion College, the director of Ministry of Education, and the 3 assistant heads. With me this afternoon is a set of PA system for their church services and then for your assemblies. Microphones and speakers and everything. And also packed lunch for every student this afternoon. Jollof rice for over 2,000 students. Also with me, $40 bags of rice, 5 gallons of oil, 4 gallons of oil, 10 boxes of mackerel, 5 boxes of sardine, 5 boxes of tin tomatoes, 15 boxes of spaghetti, spices, and then I also brought gifts out, presented, and he will decide the teachers who qualify for it. On the occasion of my 60th birthday, my presentation to Zion College, Zico. Whilst we are here, I want to finish the presentations. I also want to tell the headmaster, students, are you listening? I want to tell the headmaster he should consider the uniforms of the cadets supplied.
What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. What shall I render? What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. What shall I render? What shall I render unto Jehovah? He has done so.
Aside right after here, I am sending somebody from the military to take the measurements of the cadet people. Aside the uniforms and the presentations I have done, I also want to do one every year on your speech day. I want to do the Sam Crunchy Ankara Award. The Crunchy Ankara Award goes to the best teaching staff and the best non-teaching staff. And then out of Zion College, everybody that qualifies for university, I have a parcel for you. I want you to listen. I want you to listen. Are you listening? Or I should cancel the award? This means that you need to study very hard. Listen carefully. Private university is not part. If you get admission to a government university, not fee paying, listen carefully, not fee paying, to anybody that qualifies to the university, you get a scholarship from Royal House Chapel.
Enyo, 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 to. Enyo, 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 to. Enyo, nusianusi, nusianusi, mauo. Enyo, nusia. Enyo, enyo.
Hello. In fact, I am dumbfounded. Yes, I am shattered. I just don't know what to say. Mama Rita, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Before we continue,
a poem dedicated to Mama Rita. A virtuous woman, clothed with spectrum of beauty, full of a virtuous woman, full of a virtuous woman. A virtuous woman, full of character, clothed with the spectrum of beauty, full of grace and glamour, the softness of her hands like the sweetness of grapes. Her face, a rising sun that shineth upon the darkness of many hearts. With virtue you uphold to the heart, a gift from Mother Nature, transparent like a river, beautiful like a rainbow, precious like a gem, a woman whose virtue radiates. On your eyes is a paradise. Your contralto voice like the voice of cherubim and seraphim, singing melodiously to the rhythm of the souls. A virtuous woman, a woman who keeps her dignity to her heart. A mother, her calling, a perfect example to humanity. Mama Rita, a symbol of virtue, beauty and excellence. Your touch of purity is exceptional. An epitome of success. A living legend that has touched the lives of many. A virtuous woman who speaks with wisdom. A leader, a teacher, a mother, a heroine, a blessing. An ecstasy to behold. an ecstasy to behold, engulfed in the depths of our hearts. Your presence is like the image of God, the true definition of a woman. Truly, you are a virtuous woman. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Mama Alice Canley, when we heard that Mama was coming, the school was so glad. We had a lot of discussions with her team, and we have something small to present to her this afternoon. I will read what is on it, and I'll humbly ask our director to do the presentation to Mama Rita. This is what we have for Mama Rita, and what we have on it reads as follows. Citation in honor of Reverend Mrs. Rita Koranchi Ankara on the occasion of her 60th birthday celebration. Reverend Mrs. Rita Koranchi Ankara, you were admitted into Zion College, Zico, in the year 1981. You played your role as a disciplined and well-behaved student until you completed your course of studies in the school. While in Zico, you met your husband, Reverend Sam Koranchi Ankara, the Apostle General of the Royal House Chapel International, during one of his evangelism visits to the school. Since then, you knew no turning back. You walked on the path of God and endeavored to do his will until you accepted the call to become a minister of the gospel. Today, you are celebrated worldwide as a virtuous, dignified, and glorious mother and woman of God. Your love for your alma mater still glows. This love you have demonstrated aptly by paying homage to the school and giving back the dividends of the knowledge, attitudes, and values instilled in you many years ago in this school. On this occasion of your 60th birthday celebrations, Zion College recognizes and honors you as a true daughter and proud old student that is an African. Mama Rita, Zion College salutes you and wishes you success and God's guidance in all your endeavors. Dated this 9th day of April, 2022. Right. In addition to that, two students, one from the Visual Arts Department, one from the General Arts Department, they also saw you before you even came, and they did something beautiful to present to you. So, the thing is so precious that it's not trying to come out. This is the handiwork from our students to you. Kindly present to Mama Rita.